In this video, I will show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. So simply, it's depend upon the vendor if the option is allowed. So simply you can directly pay with Apple Pay. So if option is not allowed by vendor, so still you can purchase with Apple Pay. So how to do it? Just go to your Amazon app and open it. And after that, click on account icon. So in the next step, you have to click on your account, and now after that here you can see the your payment option. So just click here. So in the wallet tab, tap add and it's small text to write card and accounts. So simply just click here on add, and after that here you have to add a credit or debit card. So just simply add a credit or debit card here. So if you don't know about your Apple card number, simply go back and check your Apple card number, and after that simply enter the card, and after that set as default payment method. So click here, and after that click on save. So you will see a message that the payment method was successfully added. So next time you are checking out while ordering from Amazon, if you set your Apple card as the default payment method, it will automatically bill that card. So after that, select your Apple card and then tap on continue. Complete checkout process as normal. So in this way, you can pay with Apple on Amazon.